Are you looking to start a keto diet but don't know where to begin? Or perhaps you've tried before and found it too complicated or restrictive? Well, you're not alone, but here's the good news. Understanding and following a keto diet doesn't have to be difficult. Today, we're going to demystify this popular diet plan and show you how to do it right. So, what exactly is a keto diet? It's a low-carb, high-fat diet that helps your body switch from burning carbohydrates for energy to burning fats. This metabolic state is known as ketosis, hence the name keto. The first step in your keto journey involves understanding the macronutrient distribution. Typically, you aim for 70% of your calories from fats, 20% from proteins, and just 10% from carbohydrates. Yes, the carb part is quite low, but remember, we're transitioning your body to burn fats for fuel. Next, focus on food selection. A keto diet isn't just about cutting carbs, it's about replacing them with healthy fats and proteins. Think avocados, olive oil, fatty fish, and lean meats. Add non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, and bell peppers for fiber and essential nutrients. And forget not, berries are your friends too. Now, here's the tricky part: meal planning. It's crucial to plan your meals to ensure you're hitting the right macronutrient distribution. For breakfast, you might have scrambled eggs with avocado and a side of spinach. Lunch could be a salad with grilled chicken, mixed greens, and a generous drizzle of olive oil. Dinner, how about a piece of salmon with a side of cauliflower rice? Remember, portion control is key. Even though you're eating high-fat foods, you still need to watch your calorie intake. Overeating, even on a keto diet, can lead to weight gain. Consider integrating intermittent fasting into your routine. It's not a requirement, but many find it helps speed up the process of getting into ketosis. This involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. For example, you might eat all your meals within an 8-hour window, then fast for the remaining 16 hours. Lastly, hydration and electrolyte balance are crucial on a keto diet. Since you'll be cutting out many carb-heavy foods, you may experience a decrease in water retention. Drink plenty of water and consider using an electrolyte supplement to prevent dehydration. So, there you have it, the ultimate guide to starting a keto diet. To recap, you'll need to adjust your macronutrient distribution, choose the right foods, plan your meals, control your portions, consider intermittent fasting, and stay hydrated. Remember, the keto diet isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a tool that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. But like any tool, it works best when used correctly. So take the time to learn, plan, and prepare. Your body and your waistline will thank you.